In this next lesson, we would be running through how to buy a hosting alone in the event you don't need to buy a domain name. So maybe your domain name is elsewhere, you just want to buy a hosting account here. So first thing to do is just go to the hosting menu and click on the shared SSD hosting. So once this page is fully loaded, you pick any of the plans. We have three plans here: Sturgeon, Bluefin, and Barracuda. So let's pick this to get started. So remember, I am already logged in because I have an account. So you see here, it brings me here and tells me to add a domain name. Now in this case, I don't want to register a new domain and I'm not ready to transfer my domain. I have a domain elsewhere. So if I have a domain elsewhere that I would like to use, or I have a domain with this same listed hosting, maybe the first thing I bought was a domain some months back, and now I need to buy a hosting. I'll simply pick on this option, then type in the domain name that I want to connect with. So if the domain name resides with listed hosting, that means the domain name is pointed to listed hosting server. So I don't need to update the name server anymore. But if this domain name is pointed elsewhere, domain name is elsewhere, I will need to take listed hosting DNS server and take it there. So we'll go through the process of how do you change a domain, or how do you point a domain to another hosting account. But for now, I want to use an existing domain. So I will just type in the domain. So this is the domain that exists and I would like to use this. So the next thing to do is just click on use. So it brings you here, then you can change your billing to either monthly or yearly, however you want it. Then if you have any additional required information, you can put it here. But the next thing to do is click on continue, because I don't have anything to put here. Click on continue. So your checkout, then you click on checkout. You choose a payment method, you agree to terms and conditions, then you complete your order. So this is pretty straightforward and really, really simple. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.